Tell everybody what you just made.
Play-Doh.
We made Play-Doh.
And stingrays.
And we're making stingrays with our Play-Doh. Really easy to do. You probably already have all the ingredients in your pantry, and Jack and I are gonna show you how to do it.
Let's make Play-Doh.
Let's make Play-Doh.
Okay.
I see this is a kid, pretty simple recipe. A lot of you are probably already familiar with it. We've got some vegetable oil, cream of tartar, salt, water, flour, and food coloring. What do we do first?
This. This one.
What color are we doing, Jack?
Green.
Let me see. That's the color you chose? Why are we doing green?
Because I like green.
Is it your favorite? First step, we need a cup of flour. Here, wait, Jack, fill us up a cup of flour.
This one?
Yes, that one, perfect.
Some more?
Yeah, some more.
Is that flour?
It is flour.
Got the big spoon.
Oh, that's awesome. Can you dump the cup of flour in this pot? Dump it in. We're gonna add some more stuff. It's a cup of water. Awesome.
Now what else, Mom?
Okay, now we got our cream of tartar. You can put that in, Jack. Good job. We need one more. Great. Now we need our salt. We did not have regular table salt, so we're gonna use sea salt and see how that works. Jack, can you pour this into this little cup right here? Okay, tip it back over, tip it back over, tip it back over. All right, we got a little extra salt here. That's okay, we can clean that up.
But can I play with this?
You wanna play with the salt? Here, dump the cup of salt in here first. And then we'll do a cleanup. Great.
And I want to play with snow now.
The snow? Play break.
A snow break.
A snow break, not a play break, a snow break. All right, now I need a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I am gonna do this part since Jack has been a great help with all of our other parts. Jack, now I have to stir our big pot. Should we put, it'll be easier if I put it on the floor? Stir it and don't eat it.
It's great, Mom. Look how good it is.
It's good. Look how good it is. You did great, buddy. Now we gotta cook it.
Cook it now.
Cook it now? All right, let's move it up there and cook it. Okay, so now we're gonna cook this over low to medium heat and stir and watch it come together. Did you do some for me? Okay, thanks. Let me stir it up. That's enough, bud. I think that's all we need.
This one.
Oh, do you see it turning green? All right, our Play-Doh got to a pretty thick state, started to gather on the spoon, so I have dumped it out onto some wax paper. It's really hot, obviously, so we're gonna let it cool for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna play with it. It looks like I waited a little too late to put the food coloring in, but hopefully once it cools and we knead it a little bit, maybe that color will even out some. And while we wait 30 minutes, looks like Jack has entertained himself with the mess we've made. Let's see if we can try to clean this up while we wait on our Play-Doh to cool.
No, but I don't like that.
Our Play-Doh's ready. After I did knead it a little bit, the color kind of evened out, and I'm sure it will even more as Jack starts to play with it.
Ah.
It's still warm. Yeah, it's still a little warm.
It smells like food.
It does smell like food. So a little warm.
Is this Play-Doh?
It is. We made that. Oh, nice.
He just made dinosaur footprints. He's making tracks.
Yeah.
The Play-Doh smells like ice cream.
Ice cream? Yum. So the Play-Doh should keep for about a month. A fish. You just want to put it in an airtight container like Tupperware or something and stick it in your refrigerator when you're not using it. And we'll probably make some more colors. Did you have fun, Jack? Can you say bye?
Bye.